Current time is 5:23 p.m. Pacific Standard. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Boise has issued a blizzard warning for Payette County in west central Idaho, Washington County in west central Idaho, Baker County in east central Oregon, Malheur County in southeastern Oregon, until 6:32 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a blizzard on a line extending from Baker City to Vail, moving northeast at 18 miles per hour. Hazards: blizzard conditions. Source: radar indicated. Impact: driving will be incredibly dangerous. For your protection, do not go outside. Blizzard warning is now in effect from 5:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to 6:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. A high of 24 degrees and a low of 11 degrees. Unusually cold temperatures are being observed in the Phoenix metropolitan area and in numerous locations in the state of Arizona. It is unknown why these cooler temperatures are being observed at this time, but a really rare weather pattern has thought to be what this event could be occurring. The National Weather Service in Phoenix will keep continuing to research to this ongoing situation. Winter storm advisory remains in effect from 5:43 p.m. to 6:43 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. With a high of 44 degrees and a low of 29 degrees. In Providence, mostly cloudy, with a high of 34 degrees and a low of 27 degrees. The National Weather Service in Boston, Massachusetts has issued a snow squall warning for Middlesex County in east central Massachusetts, Norfolk County in east central Massachusetts, Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Providence County in northern Rhode Island, until 7:02 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over 3 miles north of Providence, moving east at 9 miles an hour. Hazards: heavy snow. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous travel. Locations impacted include Providence, Worcester and Cambridge. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Snow squall warning is now in effect from 6:02 p.m. to 7:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The current time is 6:04 p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Bismarck, North Dakota has issued a snow squall warning for Sheridan County in central North Dakota, Wells County in central North Dakota, until 7:03 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located on a line extending from McCluskey to Fessenden, moving southeast at 21 miles an hour. Hazards: heavy snow along with 12 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: train weather spotters. Impact: dangerous travel. Locations impacted include Fessenden. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Snow squall warning now in effect from 6:03 p.m. to 7:03 p.m. Central Standard Time. The current time is 6:26 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Civil emergency message for the state of Arizona. The following message is transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service and the Arizona Department of Public Safety. There were reports of extreme blizzard conditions in multiple cities across the United States. These include locations such as Baker City, Oregon, Phoenix, Arizona, Providence, Rhode Island, and most recently, McCluskey, North Dakota. At this time, all residents in Arizona are advised to stay indoors as a precaution. Driving or traveling will be incredibly dangerous. There were also disturbing reports of people getting hypothermia from the intense cold, and many people were going to hospitals only for a stay of 1 to 2 days. Do not go outside, or you will catch hypothermia. Tune in to your local news outlet for further information.